Alright, yo. Need to figure this stuff out. I wish I had a better camera for this. Do I have... I'm trying to think, it'd be kind of cool if I could have a little mount thing so I could record downwards. I don't know if I have this extra camera here. Or where it's at. I have a USB one. Ooh, and I have an extra adapter actually. Hold on. Let me... Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Come on. Yeah. There we go. Alright, I have a camera that I'm going to try and plug in here real quick. See if she works. Then I just have to figure out how to mount it properly. I think I actually have a good spot. Fuck, there's only one USB-C on the side of this thing. Boom. Boom. Add another camera device. Yeah. Main cam. We'll do external cam. I almost want to use its mic so that you don't hear that fucking clicky click. Don't have. Well, I can plug in my head earbuds, but it's whatever. Okay. It's the Pro webcam. Yeah. All right. Take off this cam. We'll put on this cam, and then can we do like default? Whoa, chill, dude. Do default res? What the fuck? Default custom? Nah. Alright, we'll just stretch it to be max, I guess. Oh, I could fuck around with the zoom though. Configure zoomy zoom. Says max, minimum. Anything else? Cancel low light comp. Cool. Alright, maximum frameage. Oh shit. Fingers are kind of fast. Maybe? I guess it's just 30 frames. That's good. That's good enough. Ah, fuck, I don't have a wait. Oh, wait, yeah, dude. Wait. No, no, no. Come on, yo. Is this good? This could be good. Alright, so we could do... Fuck, I can't tilt it any more than that, though. Come on. Like this. It needs to be, oh wait, like that? Yes. There it is. Alright, this might work. And then I can push this guy back. Push this. Push this. Full? I think so. Alright. Yeah, alright, so we got the laptop. We have power and shit, another adapter. This guy will plug into this guy. Don't need this. What is the mic doing? What is it hearing? Oh no. Alright, I don't know. It could be real bad. I have no clue. What is it hearing? Oh, oh my god. Oh, it's exactly what I thought. It fucking switched to the webcam's mic. God damn it. Okay, don't need this. This is the charger. Charger for my guitar speaker. And the extender for it. Okay. Put that over where it actually is. Cool. Don't need any of these fucking bands and shit right now. It's actually a way better spot. I don't know why I never put them there. More. Backpack. Can go in the door. It's not a biggie. Maybe. Alright. We have that. I can do... I'll just leave it on the floor, maybe. Maybe not. Maybe I'll get... Ah, damn. I don't want to touch fucking lead shit. I'm not touching soldering, so I should be okay, maybe. But we'll do... do it here. Lid of a box. So I need my R3 Uno Arduino. I need 2 breakout boards and a relay in order to avoid having to cut USB-C cables. And then I need this guy, which is an atomizer to take liquid and turn it into gas and move it around the room. I mean, it's not really going to move. Well, I guess when it comes out, it comes out in a direction. So I don't know which way this is actually supposed to be, if it's supposed to be vertical like that or not. It looks like... So there's that side. It looks like that's the top, and this is the bottom. And then I think that's the way. Okay. So we'll plug her in. See if I can zoom it in. Where's this shit at? Oh, here we go. Okay. This thing is now connected. And then put them inside this guy. Where's the cable supposed to go? I'm not sure. I have no clue. Look at the Chinese thing. Like this. So it goes in like that. What the fuck? Don't think this is the same thing. Alright, well, let me just see what it looks like when I connect them anyways. How in the fuck does this work? Do I... So these like latch on. Both sides are supposed to latch on, it looks like. Oh, it fucking just snaps. Okay. And then the cable comes through somewhere? I'm not really sure. And then can I slide this up in there? I can. How I take it off, I'm not sure. Oh. Can I just separate it? Brute force a little? Looks like it, maybe. Fuck, I don't have any nails. Oh, that's not good. I just bent it in a way it shouldn't have been bent. Okay. Alright, well. Alright, how the fuck do we take this off? Okay, the instructions are not good. Can't do that. That definitely broke a piece of plastic. There we go. Alright, good enough. So we'll take this. And Still trying to figure out how I want these cables to go because I don't want to break them. Where do they go, though? They're totally going to break if I do that. Does it come out the top or what? I guess they come out the top is what it looks like. Like, I don't know about that, dude. So it has to be like this then. This has to be the top. Oh, but it does not want to fit like that. There's no way. Alright, I'm Googling this shit, there's no way. Let me make a, another scene. Cool. Alright, this is this shit. Alright, so I need to do Q2 diffuser analyzer. DY. Here we go. Okay, so he puts. Oh shit. Alright, so the tiny bit's the top part, that's for sure. He puts in like that. Puts that on top. How does he fix the cable issue? Oh. Alright, looks like there's a spot that it fits through. It's fucking not that side. Oh, it is the side. I'm fucking just retarded. Alright, GG's. Got it. I also need to, let's see, figure out exactly how the relay is going to be working. Because before, I was using, let's see, and then we could have another one that's full screen close cam, maybe? So like overall, close, and then full screen close. That's what I'm trying to figure out here. Okay. 5-volt supply and ground from the Arduino. This is the side where you bring in power you want to switch. This terminal is disconnected from COM when the relay is off, so when the relay is on, it's connected. So it's connected when it's activated. So when it's activated, this pin is normally open. But instead, when this pin, well, let's see, activate. So energize, activated, so it's normally connected. This is connected when the relay is off. So it sounds like I would have to give Okay, so I guess this is right. When the relay is off, it's okay. So normally open might be correct. Normally open meaning when it's receiving power, it's normally open. Okay. So, all right. On only when the Arduino output is on. Would be normally open. Okay. Oh. So there's power to power the relay and signal. Oh. So there are two different powers. Power to the relay, DC plus minus, and power that the relay directs. COM directed to NO or NC or NO. i.e., COM power is not used by the relay, but is not used by the relay, but directed by the relay. Directed either through, So you need DC plus and DC minus to turn the relay on and use it, and the signal high, low for the Arduino's digital pin controls whether the COM is allowed, or whether controls whether the COM is allowed to flow with a pin through through let's see. Okay. There's control, the relay coil, over on this side. I was picturing this thing when it was saying the coil earlier, this fucking copper guy. This guy, there's a little bit of copper there. But so there's the input side, or power on this side controls this thing. So this thing works. And then there's power on the other side, which all it does is it allows. It either connects a circuit or it disconnects a circuit, depending on whether there's signal. So use this to allow the relay to operate. This power is used by the relay itself. Okay. In. This is the control signal, high or low. Activates the relay. Cool. Switching terminals. Electrically isolated, does not use their power. Makes sense? It only directs it. Yes. The power you want to control enters at COM and is routed through either NO or NC. I understand. Okay. Yes. Awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then for NO, so normally open is disconnected when the relay is off. So if the relay is on, and there isn't signal, hold on. Let's see, let me use my fucking brain here. It's not a book, I have to actually think for a second. Or I'm treating it like a book, so I have to think instead of just asking it to... Alright. So, this terminal is disconnected from COM versus this one is disconnected, depending on certain things. So, for normally open, when the relay is off, it's disconnected. When the relay is on, it's connected. So what is the whole point of the signal shit here? And then normally closed is connected when the relay is off. Meaning, if I just connected into the COM and then out, that it would work without the relay doing anything? It seems like it. It seems like maybe none of the shit on the other side is connected, but somehow. I don't know. Alright. So, how does the signal, if the NO and C are connected when the relay is energized or not, what does that have to do with the signal? Sounds like if I have the NO done something. Alright, yeah, I'll just ask that. That's the question. What does the signal do? Does the signal change whether it's energized, or are we talking about power coming in? Which is determined by the signal. Okay, so the relay's on, but we say it's energized when there's signal coming in. So if I have something coming out of the normally open pin, when there's signal coming in, that thing gets turned on. When there's not signal coming in, then it's off. If it's in the normally closed pin, if there's not signal coming in, the relay needs to be on. But when it's energized, that turns the signal off, or that closes. For the normally closed, when there's signal coming in, or when there's not signal coming in, so the relay is not energized, it's normally it's open. But when there's signal coming in, then it's closed. So when it's de-energized, no is open. It feels like I want to use NC then. So when it's low signal or no signal, NO is open. Well, I only want it to happen when there is signal. When it's energized, so high signal, the NC opens. Okay, so it sounds like when it's high, it's energized, so it's connected to no. Oh, the contact opens. Okay, so the contact. We're talking about, so when it's de-energized, when there's nothing, the contact is open. So here we go. We have COM and normally open. For normally open, if it's not energized, the contact is open, meaning COM does not flow here. There's a gap. It's not connected. They need to be connected for there to be power flowing. So it needs to come in from here and go there. If there's signal, then it closes the circuit, which is on. But if there's no signal, then it opens it. Meaning, normally open means normally open, not a closed circuit. Versus normally closed means normally closed, and I power it, I energize it with a signal to open the circuit. So I have to power it to turn it off, meaning if I have the Arduino and everything's plugged in and I'm not sending signal, this circuit will be closed, which means this guy will be receiving power. But for normally open, it means that there's no power, the circuit is open, so this guy is not receiving power. But when we close it with power, so the normally open is normally open, not on, when we power it and close it, he receives power. Okay, so normally open. That sounds right. I understand now. We need to have power coming in from the wall into the COM pin. We need to have the Arduino stuff coming in to control the relay, signal from the Arduino to control the relay, and then from the no pin, to the other side, the no pin coming into the thing I want to power. And then all I have to do is set the thing to either high or not. And then I can test. Cool. And then the relay, we already said before that it has power, so it's on. And then I was testing that my signal would do something, because there's a signal one, there's power, but then there's also a light for signal. There's a little red one right above the tip of my finger. Right, they're covering it, now it's there. Right there. That's when signal is coming through. This is when power is coming through. So this is when power is coming through, right here. So normally power is coming through. And then, oh, signal's on. Still on over here. Oh, now this is off. Still on over here. Cool. Okay, that makes sense. I'm gonna upload this really fast and then take a shit break. Actually, I'm fast enough. Let's go. Oof. Okie dokie. Oh yeah. All right. What is that? So, what's next? I think I just have to remember how to control this thing. So we go. Oh wait, I think is there not a mic? Oh no, there's no mic on those. Oh no, so I was totally silent. I was totally silent and totally silent here too. Oh good, great. That's great. Just been yapping along. All right. So now I need to turn on this fucking Arduino, and you have to remember my commands. Let's do 40 on both. Let's go. Simmy. Oh, I was showing an OBS thing. All right, we're good now. So Arduino, plug this motherfucker in. Bop. Oh no. Fuck, I don't have enough adapters. I need an adapter for this system. Fuck. Is this zoomed in? Fuck yeah, there we go. All right, cool. So there's got to be another. Well, because I have one adapter for the camera here and one adapter for this system over here. And I need this system, I think. Let me think about this. Dude, my fucking dick, yo. What's happening here? All right, we're good. So, this guy comes in. Do I need all this? Let's just pretend I don't need another USB cable. I don't know if that's true or not yet. I think it is. I think I do need another. Let me plug this guy in. Oh my god, we can't. Well, I can make that work. Alright. Plug this guy in. I need a bunch of guys going into the relay. Power coming via this guy from the wall. And then power coming out from this guy to a breakout board. But then that breakout, it needs to come like this. So I need one more. Alright, well, big cam is done. Back to normal cam. That is unfortunate, but it is what it is. Alright, this is actually a cool setup. I got the camera straight up there. We're set. Alright, so I have to use this other adapter. Oh, what the fuck am I doing? Plugging it into the wrong hole. Alright. Cool. Alright. Let me remember how to control the Arduino from here. So we'll first plug in Captain Arduino. Boom. Now it is on. Okay, I understand this stuff now. Don't need C++ right now. Please. Alright. Arduino CLI. Oh, good. I didn't make any notes. Oh, it's just perfect. Put this over here. Cool. Alright. Command prompt. We need to do, I think, just CD this. I think that's the strat. We do command directory or control directory. I don't know, to get there. And then we'll do ls. And then we'll do Arduino. Arduino CLI like that to open this up. And then, don't remember what exactly I had to type in. I had to do like something dash something uno. Dude, fucking dripped a little. That is sad. Right. We do dash help. See what happens. Oh, oops. Arduino CLI dash help. Is that good enough? Log something uno VR uno dr uno. I don't remember. So it was, let's see, Arduino, oops, CLI, and then upload dash help. Upload help. Alright, let's see. Do you have any? Usage, upload that. Oh, here we go. I'm not sure. Do I need AVR Uno? Is that to specify the one? So there's port and then there's bake. Oh, or board. You do have to specify that. It's AVR Uno. I don't know what the AVR part is, but it seems like it's okay. So we're going to do Arduino CLI. What is it? Arduino AVR Uno? So we'll do that. Board, Arduino, AVR Uno, port. It's fucking COM3, COM5, COM1? I don't remember. Let's find out. Okay. Board COM5. COM5. Oh yeah, this is upload. And then the sketch. I need that location, and then I need a shortcut to my other shit. So we'll do. Is there not a create shortcut? Ay. Okay. So we have blink, blank, and then relay test. And relay test was when I'm doing high and low. So we do blink and blank to test the lights. And then we have digital right high and low to turn that on and off. Okay. So we can do this guy. Here's the location. So we have blink, blinking. And then we can instead do blanking. And now it's off. Which it's on, but we just happen to catch it at a bad time. I'll try it again. I'll try blink real quick. And then I'll try blank after and see if we work. Oops, please. I'm gonna do on here and then. Fuck. I'm gonna try it one more time. Maybe I'm breaking it, but we'll see. Okay, blank. And off right there. Fuck! Alright, well it's stuck on. Oh no, I think it's stuck on. I think by default blank turns it on. Let me find out. No, blank is nothing. But I think when we exit from blink, it doesn't do anything. So maybe in blank, I have to turn it off specifically. Or like when well, if blink initializes it, then blank would have to de-initialize it. Or clear it. So we'd have to do, like, I don't know, you'd have to somehow make pin mode void, turn it off. Okay. But now we can also do this, but then relay test. Oh wait, well, okay, it's not going to show it's doing anything because I don't have anything plugged in just yet. And that's port 5, so we're going to do, I need some wires right here. So you swap. Okay. Alright, what wires I need, I don't know. It looks like male to male to male to male to male. Day shit. Alright, let me get a toolkit. Cool. Okay, I have some tools now. I'm gonna do this. Oh shit! Wait, what? Oh, it's not live. I was like, how the fuck is it live? It's not plugged in. Okay, that was interesting. Alright, we'll do. That's it. It's not zoomed in at all, so yeah. Gotta have a screwdriver. Which size is right? I don't know. I think this is it. So I can screw and unscrew these pins. Cool. Like that. Open these little channels. So I need 3 male to male, 1 for signal, and then 1 for ground, and then 1 for voltage. Male to male, male to female. All right, what else? Male to male. And male to, not that. Oh, didn't I have 3 going at one point? There's no way. Okay, I guess not. I don't know where one disappeared. Oh, there's. Alright. Leave the rest out. Okie doke. So we have. I need the cam for. I'll put the cam on for now. So we'll do. Put this down. Bro? First attempt is just so hard. Let's just plug this into another port. Ah, fuck. Oh, wait. I'll just do this. Cam goes on the other side. Charging goes on the other side, because this thing needs to be charging. Cool. Big cam. Maybe? I have to refresh him. Properties, configure. Oh, deactivate, activate. There we are. Alright, cool. Cute. Okie doke. Oh no, is it using. Uh-oh. Why is it delayed? Okay. Oh no. What is the delay part? Alright. Okay, it's just delayed in general. Alright. Okay. Everything is delayed. Plugging things back in. Okay. Alright. Everything's delayed. I'm restarting this.